Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Affinity Photo for beginners in 2026. So if you want to edit photos, remove backgrounds, or create professional graphics, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, download Affinity Photo from the official website and install it on your PC. Once the software opens, you'll see the main editing workspace. Next, click File and then Open to import a photo, so you can edit JPG, PNG, RAW, and many other image formats. Now explore the main tools on the left side. I mean, the Move tool, Crop tool, Brush tool, and Selection tool are the most useful for beginners. So use adjustments like brightness, contrast, and saturation to improve your image. Small changes can make photos look much better. Next, work with layers to edit non-destructively. Layers help you organize edits without changing the original image permanently. Finally, click File and then Export to save your edited image. So you can export as JPG, PNG, TIFF, or other formats. And that's how to use Affinity Photo for beginners in 2026. Once you learn the basic tools and layers, editing photos becomes much easier and more professional. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more photo editing tutorials.